Welcome to the ClearCheckbook tutorial series. ClearCheckbook is an application that helps you manage your finances online. Today we're going over one of the methods you can use to reconcile your accounts in ClearCheckbook. We call this process clearing. This is an extremely easy process of checking off transactions that show up on your bank statement. At the end of the process, the cleared balance will match your statement balance. If it doesn't, then it means there's a discrepancy somewhere that you'll need to track down. The most common reasons for a discrepancy would be missing transactions, transactions with incorrect amounts, or transactions that weren't cleared. We'll be using a sample credit card statement for today's example. The first thing we'll do is open our transaction register and click on the account we're about to clear. Uncleared transactions will show up with a white or gray background, while cleared transactions will show up with a green background. To start the clearing process, find your bank statement and then we'll start matching transactions from the statement with those in ClearCheckbook. I like to start at the oldest transactions on the statement and then move forward in time. For this round of clearing, I'll start with the $223.26 transaction from March 3rd. I found the matching transaction in ClearCheckbook, so I'll click the checkmark icon to mark it as cleared. Oops, it looks like I entered 93 cents instead of 39 cents for my pharmacy purchase. We can quickly edit the transaction to fix this mistake. I'm going to continue doing this for the rest of the transactions in the statement. Now that all transactions have been cleared, we'll know our account is reconciled because the balance in ClearCheckbook matches the statement balance. In this case, the balance is negative because this is a credit card. In most cases for checking and savings accounts, the balance will be positive. One feature I'd recommend enabling is called Cleared Lock. This will lock all cleared transactions from being modified and will prevent issues which may cause your cleared balance to show up incorrect. The biggest reasons this can happen after a successful reconciliation is due to a cleared transaction being accidentally edited or deleted. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any more questions about the clearing process, please visit ClearCheckbook.com and navigate to our help section where we have an entire article dedicated to clearing.